morning, room service. This is Lawrence speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning, Lawrence. May I have a breakfast here in my room?
Sure, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
Yes, my name is Thea from room 707.
Thank you, Ma'am Thea. For your breakfast, we have American, continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one do you prefer?
Sounds good. May I have a Filipino breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. For Filipino breakfast, the available for today are champurrado with toyo, bread with any spread you want, with drinks, garlic rice with longanisa and egg.
Okay, I want bread with biscuit spread and with drinks.
Sure, ma'am. How about for your drinks? We have orange juice, pineapple juice, and apple juice.
Apple juice, please.
Room service, may I come in?
Yes, please, come in.
Good morning, ma'am. This is your breakfast order. By the way, ma'am, I'm Lawrence, your room service attendant. For this morning, would you like me set your table?
No thanks, just leave it on the table.
Is there anything else I can do for you, ma'am?
Nothing. If there is, I will call you again.
All right, ma'am. May I present to you the bill? Please sign here.
Oh, yes, please.
Room service, may I come in?
Yes, please.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry for disturbance. Are you done with your breakfast?
Yes, I'm done.
How did you find your breakfast, ma'am? Is it good?
Yes, it's great.
Thank you for the compliment, ma'am. May I pick up your soiled dishes now?
Sure.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
Nothing. Thank you.
Thank you. It was a pleasure serving you. Have a great day.